In this video I will show you that how can you add a watermark, page border or a page color to your writing. So first I will have to click on the design and then go to the last section. Here you can see that the page background, in here are three options: watermark, page color and page border. So first I will have to try the watermark. As I click on the watermark option, here are several designs in which I can add the watermark to my writing, but here I will have to select the custom watermark. I will have to click on the custom watermark. So here are further two options in which I can add the watermark, which is a picture which I want to add as a watermark, or a text watermark which I want to add to my writing. So I will have to try first the picture, then I will have to select the picture. So from here I will have to select my picture. On the desktop I will have my YouTube channel logo which I want to add as a watermark. So I will have to select this and click on the insert option. So here I will have to remove the washout option and then select the scale 200%. So now as I click on the OK, the watermark will add it to my writing. You can see here that it is added to all the pages of your writing. So this is the way that you can add a picture as a watermark to your writing. Now I want to add or remove this watermark. Here is this removed, and now I want to add the writing to my pages as a watermark. So I will have to click on the text watermark and then click here. The writing or the link of my YouTube channel I want to add as a watermark, or you can add something else. So here I will have to select the size and the color of your watermark writing. I will add as a red color. You can add as diagonally, horizontally, or so many other styles, or the writing style you want to select. So all the setting can be done from here. Now I can click on the OK. So as I click on the OK, the watermark, you can see here, is added to all the pages of my writing. You can see it. That's the way to add a watermark in two ways. The first one is you want to add a picture as a watermark, or something writing you want to add as a watermark. Now I will go to the page color, that I want the color of my page, of my interest color. So I will here select the color of my page. You can simply selecting the color and that will be added to your pages. So I have selected the sky blue color of my pages. Now I want to add the page border to my writing. So I will have to click on the page border and then select that which type of or which style of border I want to add. So here you can see different styles. I have to add this style. So from here now you can see the sides to which you want to add the border. If you select this, deselect this, the border will be removed from the top. By this, the border will be removed from the bottom, and by this the border will be removed from the left side and from right side. Now I want to add all side borders, so I will have to select all these four options and click on the OK. So you can see here that the border was added to my writing, and you can save or export it to other from your file. Thank you.